In this video, I will show you how to install the Synflow SDK. So first, you need Eclipse. You can download Eclipse on the Eclipse website, so eclipse.org. So just download this version of Eclipse you need. So for me, it's download 64 bytes. So you click and you download. Okay, so it's here. You have the installer, so you can run that installer. You run that. So you need Eclipse for RCP and RAP developers. So you click here. You can install that wherever you want. You can install that, for instance, in OPT or in your own specific folders. For simplicity, I will let that default installation folder. So now it's installing. You can just wait for installation to end. When it's done, just launch Eclipse. You can select the workspace you want. For simplicity, I will use the workspace with Synflow workspace. Okay. So now you need two things. First is the source files for the Synflow SDK, and second is a few plugins. So everything is explained in the documentation. So you can find this documentation on our website. Under install the Synflow IDE, so it's on course, tutorial, install the Synflow IDE. So we already have installed Eclipse. If you are under Windows, you need to specify the text file encoding. And now we need to display the Git repository view, and then we will clone the repository containing the source files of the Synflow SDK and install the plugins. We need to clone a Git repository. We need an address of the repository. So it's on GitLab, ngdesign GPL version 3. So that the other name of the Synflow SDK is ngdesign. Just a shorter name. So we need to clone that. We can clone using sh. Add that to our project. I will import all existing. No, don't click on import for now. Click finish. So we see on the Git repository here we have ngdesign. So I can import what I want. So I will import the features, fragments. Don't import the main one. Don't import test because you won't need it. And don't import product because you do not need it and it may cause some bugs. So just don't import those three ones and import the rest. Finish. So now we have everything and we need some plugins to be able to compile all those source files. So again, go to the documentation. You will be able to see all the plugins needed. So for example, the Eclipse modeling framework, the graphical editing framework, and so on. So install all those plugins. To do so, you click on Help, Install new software. You can select all available sites. Let Eclipse a bit of time for fetching. Then you add the plugin one by one. Okay, once you're done, click on Next. Verify that you have everything required. Then Next again. Accept the license. Finish. Accept selected. Once it's installed, restart Eclipse. And now we can compile the Synflow SDK. So again, it's explained in the documentation. You just need to run CX and then configure and run the product. So first, generate CX MW2. Proceed. Even if there are errors in the workspace, you proceed anyway. Okay, it's done. Now we can clean the project. Go to Relink, Product, ngdesign.product, run as, product double click, sorry. Launch as an Eclipse application. So you can see a lot of problems, doesn't matter, continue. So it fails. Click on No, then run as a run configuration. Here you open the plugin. So you have two options. You can select Add Required Plugin, or you can select All. I suggest to select all. It will be a bit slower, but you are ensure to have everything required. Then apply and run. You can see two problems. That's okay. Just click on continue and start the Synflow IDE. And now you are running the Synflow IDE, also called ngDesign. So congratulations guys, you have successfully installed and configured ngDesign. The next step that we recommend is creating an existing Git repository and use one of the examples we provide.